Hello everyone, I'm here to give you a small brief about what is Python and why you should learn it at the Span Labs learning program. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures, combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, make it very attractive for rapid application development as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python's simple and easy to learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python is used for developing desktop GUI applications, website and web applications. As a high-level programming language, it allows you to focus on core functionalities of the application by taking care of common programming tasks. Python is extremely simple language and yet powerful enough to work even in a cluster environment. Python provides increased productivity since there is no compilation step because of dynamic and platform agnostic nature. The edit test debug cycle is incredibly fast, and debugging Python programs is easy because a bug or bad input will never cause a segmentation fault. With the popularity of social media and mobile apps, there is so much of data floating around on the internet. Data engineering, data analytics, and visualization, data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence are the next big things. Python has some incredibly powerful libraries to address these domains with minimal efforts to learn and code. You can also contribute in organizations' growth by getting involved in projects of strategic importance, and you can advance your skills and career in the direction of the future. With that, you can master and work in one of the highly paid domains. You can download Python from the link shown here. One more thing is Anaconda, which is a bundle that includes many modules apart from standard installation and can be downloaded from the link here. And to write your Python code, there are so many editors available, out of which one of them is PyCharm, and it can be downloaded from the link here. A Python program is divided into a number of logical lines, which is represented by the token newline. Two or more physical lines may be joined into logical lines using backslash characters. The expressions in parentheses, square brackets, or curly braces can be split over more than one physical line without using backslashes. Indentation in a Python code is very important. Code blocks are recognized based on indentation and not based on curly braces like other languages. Leaving white spaces at the beginning of a logical line is used to determine the grouping of statements. And it is unwise to use a mixture of spaces and tabs for the indentation in a single source file for cross-platform compatibility. And for the comments part, for single line comments, you can use hashtag, and for multi-line comments, you need to start the comment with 3 quotes and end the comment with the same 3 quotes. About the data. All of the data in a Python program is represented by objects or by relation between objects. And every object has an identity, a type, and a value. An object's type determines the operations it supports and also defines the possible values for objects of that type. The type function returns an object's type. However, the value of some objects can change. Objects whose value can change are said to be mutable, and objects whose value is unchangeable once they are created are called immutable. Variable names start with a character or an underscore, which is followed by characters or underscores or numbers. And multiple variables can be initialized in a single statement separated by a comma, as shown here. You can use the type function to identify the variable type. And Python is a dynamically typed programming language. The scalar data types are integer and float in numeric, and of course string and boolean. And the vector data types, or you can say the compound data types, are list, dictionary, tuple, and set. Alright, so that was it for the brief introduction of Python. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to know more about the program, please write to us at inquiry@spanlabs.in.